Hi guys, welcome back to High Yield Intraday Trading. A very good morning to all of you. So as a matter of fact, many of you guys have seen me using Tradingview. Tradingview is a web-based platform which is US based, and you can use it for your technical analysis. Okay, and some of you have done some research and found that there is a screener, an inbuilt screener that Tradingview provides. Okay, so the requests came in order to make a video on how to use that screener. Okay, so this video is about how to use the Tradingview screener and how to tweak it according to your convenience or according to your usage. Okay, and also at the end of the video I will let you know whether it is really helpful or not. Okay, and one more thing to mention here is the screener. The things that I am going to discuss in this video should be helpful for intraday trading only. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let me go ahead and open up the screener. Okay, so this is how the screener looks like in Tradingview. Okay, before that, let me show you the home page of Tradingview. So once you create your own login credentials and log into Tradingview, this is the home page that you will see. Okay, now I am a paid member for Tradingview. Okay, I pay them every month, so I'm not sure whether you will whether when you subscribe for the trial version or any other version, whether you will be able to use the screener or not. Okay, so I will leave it on you to find out whether you can use the screener in the trial period or not. Okay, so but as far as I go, I'm a paid member, so I have access to everything. Okay, so this is how the Tradingview's home page looks like. Okay, so once you get onto the home page, you need to click on chart. Okay, and once you click on chart, you will get this screen, this chart screen. Okay, now if you look at the left bottom corner, you have something called as the screener. You need to click on that. Okay, once you click on that, the screener opens up. Okay, now when you click on that, it will not cover up the entire page, rather it will be like this. Okay, so you need to drag it up in order to make it as an entire page. Okay, and when you are live in the market, you can set it according to your convenience, like you can have 25% or 50% of the screen covered by the screener, and the rest 50% of the screen covered by your charts with your technical settings and stuffs like that. Okay, so that is something which you need to decide. So let me make the screener a full page right now because I need to show you the functionalities. Okay, so this is the screener, guys. So let me start from the left. Okay, so on the left, if you click on this refresh drop down button, you will have three options. Okay, manual refresh, refresh every 10 seconds, and refresh every minute. Go ahead and select refresh every 10 seconds. Okay, for an intraday trader, an automatic refresh for 10 seconds is more than sufficient. It's good enough. Okay, so you will see it getting refreshed in some time. You see the ticker here, right? See, it's getting refreshed every 10 seconds, and you can see the ticker ticking up here. Okay, so that is one thing. Overview, you can save the view of the page. That is, you can save, you can put in all the columns that you need, and finally you can save it. That is the usage of that. Okay, moving on to the right, you will have a download option here. So whatever scripts are coming up, you can very well download it in the form of a CSV format. Okay, so this is that option. Now coming to the time frame, okay, the time interval. As an intraday trader, obviously you will be using smaller time frames, so according to your convenience, you either select 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 minute, whatever time frame you use, you select that. Okay, now if you ask me, I use the 5 minutes time frame all the while doing intraday trading, so I select the 5 minutes time frame here. Okay, so once that is done, next one is the filters. Okay, now this is where you have many options. Okay, so click on filters, you will get a new window popping up. Okay, and as you can see on the top, we have 4 headings, right? All, descriptive, fundamental, and technical. So when you say all, that will contain all the rest of the 3 headings. Okay, now let me jump on to the rest of the 3 headings here. Descriptive. So under descriptive, you will have things or parameters like the market capitalization, the volume, the average volume, sectors, okay, high exchange industries and stuffs like that. Okay, so you need to decide what number you need to fetch in order to filter. Okay, next one is the fundamental. So normally this can be used here for your fundamental analysis, but before you put in any values or any numbers into the parameters, you need to be sure about what do you mean by all these things, right? You need to know what is an EPS, you need to know what is the current ratio, the MRQ, and stuffs like that. Okay, so once you are sure about that, you can go ahead and select the respective value that you feel will work good, okay, will give you good results, and you can take it up. Okay, the next one is the last one, which is called as the technical. So this is the page where you set your filters for your technical analysis. Okay, this is a big page wherein you will have a lot many number of options. Okay, let me scroll down so that you can have a look. Okay, so you have indicators, oscillators, moving averages, whatnot. You have it all. Okay, not all, but most of them. Okay, so this is the page which you might be interested in as an intraday trader. Okay, so I will leave it on you as to what values you need to put in here. Okay, so if you are an intraday trader and if you are using indicators and oscillators, then you should be knowing what values works good for you, right? So put in those values in the respective parameters and you should be good to go. Okay, this is how you set your filter, okay, to work in the screener. Okay, there is another pre-built filter. Okay, if you click on this drop down, which is on the left hand side of filters, okay, you have some pre-built filters like most capitalized, volume leaders, top gainers, top losers, 52 weeks high, low, and stuffs like that. Okay, so if you just click on each one of them, you will directly have a list of stocks that fall under this particular filter. Okay, so this is how you use it. Okay, so one more thing which I have left is this menu icon. You see the three dots here? You click on that, you will get a lot many number of options here. So what they normally do is you can select what all columns you want to have. So whatever options you see are in green, are in blue, or the ones which are checked. Okay, those are the columns which are present here. Okay, if you want to add anything else, just click on that. The page will refresh really quick and that one will get added at the end. Okay, so this is how you have the option to select what columns you need. Okay, also you have the option to actually drag and drop the columns. If you want the sector to be at the third column, just drag and drop it here. If you want to have the change percentage towards the left, just drag and drop it here. Okay, if you want to have the market capitalization showing up at the first, drag and drop it here. Okay, so that option is also there. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is how you use the TradingView Screener. Okay, now coming to the point if it is really helpful or not. Personally, I don't use it. Okay, because I don't see it much helpful because of the reasons like you will see many scripts loading up if you select the NSE option. Okay, let me show it to you. Here you have the exchange option. Right now, if you click on the filter, the funnel icon, you will have two options, BSE and NSE. You click on NSE, obviously BSE you will not go for, you will go for NSE for sure. So once you click on NSE, see how many scripts came up. Okay, it's a huge list. Okay, the bad part is you will not find the scripts which are tradable. Okay, now let's say for example if I tell you ICICI NV20, okay, that is nothing but ICICI Prudential. Okay, chalo, you know ICICI, so you should be knowing ICICI Prudential as well. Let me take something else which yeah, let's take AIA ANG. Okay, so AIA Engineering is a company which is not known to many of the traders. Okay, so this list fills up with most of the stocks which are not known to us. Okay, and most importantly, since the stocks are not known to us and since they are not in the list of FNO scripts, we cannot be sure about their moves. Okay, and at the same time, the brokers, whatever brokers we have in India, most of them, or I would say many of them, I would say all of them, will not give any leverage to trade on these kind of scripts. Okay, so if you have a look at this list, I can see Gale, Havells, IndusInd Bank, Nifty Bees, NIT Tech, Page India. These are the only 6 to 7 scripts that I'm aware about. Okay, all the other scripts I am not aware about. Okay, and since they don't fall under the FNO segment, it will be risky for you to trade on that. And at the same time, since you will not get the leverage from the brokers, so I don't think they're worth trading. Okay, these scripts actually worth trading. Okay, so this is the disadvantage I see here. Okay, they don't have an option to sort out the NSE scripts in terms of FNO or in terms of segments. Okay, like the medical segment, or the transportation segment, okay, or the banking segment. Okay, that filter they don't have. Okay, so that is the biggest demerit that I see in the TradingView screener. Okay, now if you ask me what screener do I use, well, I use my own in-house built-in screener, which my team and me have prepared. Okay, but I'm really sorry to mention that screener is not public at all. Okay, that is not public, and it is only accessible to my trainees and me. Okay, so anyways, let's leave it. So you can use this, you can use the TradingView screener. Okay, if you find it useful, and I will leave the rest of the decision on you. Okay, I have shown you how it has to be used, so you can dig in more into this, do some research, and if you find it useful, go ahead and use it. Okay, no problems with that. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope the video will be helpful to you people, and as always, I would request you all to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also join in the Telegram channel. Okay, you will get the link in the description below regarding the Telegram channel. Okay, so yep, so you all have a good day, and I will see you all later. Bye bye.